All right, so back to the jet boat project. We got the 360 AMC big block here, but looking further at it, yeah, under the valve covers, like the head looked good, but like look at inside this intake manifold. Gross. It's like frosted flakes in there, except they're not frosted. This is like corroded beyond corroded. Just gross. So anyways, as we were talking about, we were playing around with some other ideas, and well, I feel like this is going to be a way better option to throw into the boat. So, out with the old and with the new. Out with the old and with the new. Looks right at home in there. So it's pretty awesome. I just for mock-up purposes, I wanted to drop this thing in here and see what I was working with. That's the factory mount that was running off the 360. So it's actually almost gonna bolt up to the factory mounting location of the LS. Bell housing is close to lining up. It's not the same bolt pattern. I knew that that was gonna happen anyway, so I'll need an adapter plate, but it's looking like I need to drop this by a couple inches anyways for it to line up with where the PTO comes out. So the motor needs to be dropped down a couple inches just to make it line up with where the PTO spline drive is, so that it mates nicely. So that'll kind of help with this gap here. So I obviously need to get a lower clearance oil pan. But all in all, that's looking pretty rad. Happy with the way that's setting up. One other cool thing, actually gonna utilize a factory drive-by-wire GM pedal for throttle. So anyways, I'm gonna rig up that big ol' Stompin' Tom's Big Sass 16 onto this thing, and it's gonna be pretty sweet setup, drive-by-wire setup. I'm excited for that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm pretty excited about this build. I know she's a big one, but it's gonna be sweet. Wes, are you excited about the build? Yeah! All right.